Hi, welcome to TunePet channel. Do you want to know how to remove vocals from a song for free with simple steps? Here you are. TunePet Music Converter will be the best choice. It works as not only a music downloader, music converter but also audio splitter. Let's check how it works. First, download TunePet on your computer and start it. Find the settings option in the lower left corner. Scroll down and find Tool Settings. Here you can customize the output format and audio quality. Now go to the Tools option and click AI Audio Splitter tool. If it is the first time you have used this tool, then you will need to download some necessary components. Just follow the guide. When the downloading is finished, you can now add any song from your local computer. And click the AI Split button to start. Wait patiently until it is finished. The speed depends on the file size and your internet condition. Now you can see the song has been split into vocal and instrumental files. Let's enjoy.